I want you guys to see the mass destruction here. This is somebody that lost control in the snow, and they plowed this tire here on this side. This is a 2020 R-Line Tiguan. They plowed this side into like an embankment and curb and stuff like that. Snapped the CV axle off from from the inside here. It came loose and went spinning around and went through the front timing cover. It busted the tensioner. It locked the engine up. It screwed the harmonic balancer on the front right here. Bent the tie rod, snapped it off the knuckle. The knuckle snapped in two. So the knuckle here is completely snapped off where it mounts. The backing plate, this is destroyed. The engine's no good. CV axle, the knuckle, the lower control arm, the tie rod inner and outer, it's absolutely shot. This is crazy. Tons of destruction here. Be careful when you're driving and it's snowing out. If you don't know how to drive when it's snowing out or you're acting a fool, then you kind of get what you get at that point. But this is crazy. What's up?
Oh, look at the axle. Oh, and the axle is what made it over.
The top of the knuckle busted off of the housing up there where the wheel bearing goes through and snapped it, and it jumped on the other side and came down here. That's crazy. And right as I was walking away, you can see the sway bar link that normally goes up and down. It goes like this and reattaches to the top. Like, wow, that is absolutely insane.